So we need to create our auth get root, and we will create our root auth get zone, and it will go to a register controller, and you will use the get zone index. We have to create a method get zone in our register controller, and in that this method will go call our model country zone model. In a country zone model, we will create another method, a zone, and that method will fetch all the record in from a database countries zones. So let's quickly go to our web.php, and okay, root post, and we are using auth get zones, and it goes to auth. Under auth we have a register controller, and we will create a method get underscore zones, and end that statement. Okay, auth get zone, auth register controller get zone, and find this register controller. So the register controller is under app http controllers auth and register controller. So in our register controller we need to create a method. So this method is end here, and this is the end class. Okay, so public function get underscore zones, and under this zone we will get our model. So let's quickly include our model into our constructor. There is a constructor. So why we are using it this model in a constructor? So the benefits of constructor is, so we have to not define each and every time so our model and kept in a variable. So only once we will call our model and kept in a variable, and we will instantiate or we will reference this model. So okay, dollar this country zone is equal to new country zone, and this is our model. So country zone, so we need to include in our namespace. So use app country zone. Here it is, country zone, and it's capital country zone. So we have included in our namespace use app country zone. So there it is, country zone is our model, and we are injecting in our middleware, constructor, and we are instantiating our country zone model, COUNTR country zone. So we are instantiating our country zone to our country zone. So here in our method, so we will get data from this country zones. So before getting it, we have to create a method in our model. So let's go to our model country zone. And this is a class and class. So public function zones, and let's create, we will create country ID, by input facade, and here is the ID. This ID is in our where this one. So where its name is ID, and this is a post request, input request, which is a post. So we are getting in our country zone model input get, and we have to include this in our namespace as well. So use illuminate let me mm, so I am using a now PHP companion package, so to include in our namespace. So I have a short key for this package, so I will press F5. So illuminate sports, and we are using facades input, so it will include illuminate sport facade input. Okay, because we are getting through a URI input request, so either it's a get or post, so we can get this request through input get ID. So ID is the name of the request that we are sending. Okay, it will return, so return country zone model, and where is the helper method, so where country ID will be country ID, and it will fetch, we will again use a get method, helper method, to fetch all records. So save it. Okay, so country zone is our model, which knows its table is country zones, and we can see in our here. So country zone is its table, and we have defined in our model. So protected table country zones, and it will fetch all record from this table country zone. So this model country zone, we are using facade may and helper method where country ID. So in a country where table country ID is equal, uh, we can use comma or this way. So country ID is this one and get all the record. So we can also use like this string where country ID is equal to this, it will also fetch the result. And okay, save it and come to our register controller, and here we will get this data by this this country zone, remember that we have created, instantiated in our constructor. A country zone will use a method zones, and we will kept in a variable or array. So we will set in a array data, and name is zones. So this country zone will use a method, this one zone, and it will get all the record from country zones table according to this country ID, which is fetching. We are fetching from input get ID, which is a country ID, and this ID we are giving through a country ID here, and this ID is comes from along all the way along with from your country this dot val, and here this is the ID country ID where we are displaying a country name along with country ID. Remember that this, hope so this makes sense. Okay, so we have created our data array, and we set all the record data into our data, and we will let's die dump and see uh, our data array that it is fetching these zones according to our selected country or not. Okay, die dump, select the country, and fail to load resources. Let me show you the method not allowed. So we are sending the request, and something is problem in. Okay, let's troubleshoot console and refresh the page in a network. Here you can see we can how we can troubleshoot when we send the data and it is not appearing. So we are refreshing and see status is 200. All the requests as spinner is loaded, bootstrap is loaded, jQuery style bootstrap, all is working. Okay, let's select Afghanistan, and here we set our post request, AJAX request get zone. So status is 500. There is an internal error issue of server. Let's click it, get zone, and here we are sending. Let me give it to you the view. We are sending our request. So our request header. Okay, and here we have an ID is one and token is. So we are receiving the data from our post request, AJAX post request. ID is one and token is. So let's change it to another country. And again, we have now create a new request. So this time we have an ID 4 and token 4. And in a response, so we have an different things what we have in a response. In a preview, so in a preview we have a collection but not in a response. Okay, there is a country model. Let's change it again, put an request, and in a preview, so we have an exception error in a preview. In a response we have also a query builder, exam htdocs and database connection. Review database connection, base table were not found, table smart expense country zone does not exist from country. So here is the issue, is country zone is not accessing where country id is 5. Okay, let's go to our model, country model. Here table country, here is the mistake of country, see typing error, see country zones, and in the register controller let's dump our id, input get id, okay. Input get id, and let's include this file to our namespace input, so it's included top at here input. Okay, now let's put the request again, and pass error syntax uninspected. Where here, let's close this one, save it, refresh. Okay, let's put our country, this one, and we have set the request. So we have now in a header we are sending 9, and in a response preview, so we are accessing this 9. So in we have an id. Okay, so it means we are getting data, save it. Okay, come to our model, so input get id and return country zone where country id is this, and access it. Okay, in a data let's now dump our data to kill the page and see what the response is coming from database table country zone. Again refresh, select your country, and this time I'll go Antarctica, and we have sent the request, check the request, the collection is empty. In a preview choose another country, Algeria. So is the request in a preview, so we have its code, country zone is state code in our collection. So see, we have a collection 540, array of 48 states, so total number of states is 40, so that's great. And okay, I am stopping it. Stay tuned. In the next video, we just create a view to show the data from our database, and it will return to the method. We will return it. Stay tuned.